How to use live wallpapers for free in Windows 11. So in this video, I'll show you how you can use moving images for your background in Windows 11. Now it's really easy to do. We just need to open up the Start menu on your computer, search for Microsoft Store and click on this window here. Now click on the search box at the top of the page, and then you need to search for Lively Wallpaper and press search. Now click on this app, which is Lively Wallpaper, and then just press install. You can then give that a few seconds while it downloads onto your computer. Once it's finished installing, just press open. And now we can begin using our live wallpapers. So if you click on library, you'll see some free wallpapers you can go and choose from. So let's say I wanted to use this matrix theme here. You can simply go and click on that wallpaper, and as you can see, it will automatically be applied to the background on your computer. Now, if you want to add your own custom videos or you want more of a selection of wallpapers, just go and open up an internet browser, type in motion background, and then scroll down and click on this website, which is motionbgs.com. You can then search for the background that you want to use. So for example, I'm going to type in car. Once you've found a wallpaper or a background that you like, simply click on it. You can then scroll down the page and you'll need to download this as a HD wallpaper. Once it's finished downloading, go and open back up the wallpaper app, click on the plus icon and then select choose a file. Select the video that you just downloaded and then press OK. Now, as you can see, this new background has been applied to our computer, and that's how to use motion backgrounds in Windows 11.